Hey everyone, to celebrate the start of the NBA season, we are opening up a pack of basketball every single day. 1992-93 Upper Deck, looking for Wilt, the 10-card Basketball Heroes subset. Let's see what we can pull in here. We have Clarence Weatherspoon, draft pick. Okay. The Sacramento Kings card, Mitch Richmond, second Sacramento Kings card. Sure, hey, there's Scottie Pippen on the Bulls checklist. Nice. We have a Todd Day draft pick. You got Dale Davis, Kenny Smith, Tony Smith, Dwayne Farrell, Chuck Person, Ron Anderson, Herb Williams. We got Cedric Ceballos, Nate McMillan. We're going to end with Randy Brewer. All right, Scottie Pippen on the card. Not too bad. I like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe because we do this every single day.